What up, team? Today, just a short little video on how to turn around on a road like this with a truck and trailer with a... Fuck, I don't even know what you fellas want to call this trailer. A dolly trailer, there you go. That'll do. Right, so this is a dead end road. There is no room to turn around at the end. And it is quite wide, but there isn't much room, as you'll see. So what I'll do is I'll look for a driveway like this. See, you got a bit of room here, you know. So what I'll do is come around here like this. Keep the ass of the trailer to the right. Just fucking come around in here like this. Now basically, you're gonna forget about the rear half of the trailer kind of thing. You're just gonna steer the dolly. So I'll just poke the dolly into the driveway. Like so. So I've done this plenty of times before, so I know there's nothing to get hooked up on. It's a bit slippery this morning too. So I'll just poke it in there like that and jackknife her up a bit. So that's that there. I mean, I don't really know how to explain it to people. You just do it. So yeah, that's us. So it's gonna walk backwards a bit, but there's enough room there, you know. Fucking a few inches or so. Sure. Ah, that's one of the farmers we cart for. It's driveway, by the way, so he's all good with it. We do it all the time, so yeah, that's it. Damn, pretty easy.